Hello, Bloodlands. Today we are playing Animal Hospital. It's actually my first time playing. So let's start. Hello, my name is. Oh, okay. I don't know the last part. Okay. I want to see. Nothing. Yeah. Okay. Wait. I don't think that's. Yeah, it is. I'm not really sure what to do. Ooh, chocolate. I kind of want that. Come on. We're bringing you to the nursing rooms. Not that much. Come on. Follow the patient to their room. Okay. This is. Oh, sorry. Here you go. Oh, the sample. Okay, so how do you feel? After. A stomachache? You have a stomachache? Oh, I don't have the item. Stomachache. Maybe I have a treatment now? Wait, what's the item? I'm confused. Ooh, they have. Oh. Maybe this is. Maybe this is. I just killed one of the people. I just killed someone on accident. I actually didn't mean to kill them. But why did I actually kill that poor person? No, how did I kill them? I actually thought I was able to do it and I killed them. Okay. No, why did I kill the last person? It's actually sad. Range. Okay. What? Okay. One. Performance score, yeah. Yay, guys! So much money. Okay. Oh! Okay. Oh. I'm scared. Do I? Do we go? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm scared. Why am I actually scared? Come on. Please stay away from me. Yeah, please. Please, just stay away. Okay. Oh. Okay. But sir, how are your eyes feeling? Dehydration. You need water. I think. Oh, there it is. think this is ridiculous. Sorry. Bro, I'm actually kind of scared because why did I kill the last person and then this person like almost killed him? Then unlike stalker, okay. Patient. Run! I'm scared. What is happening? Oh my god. Why is that actually scary? Oh my god. Sir, please leave. Thank you. I don't want you. I don't think anyone wants that. Oh my. Oh! Okay. I don't want it. I don't care. Okay. Room 2. Okay. Bring them to room 2 or I'll whoop your butt. Alright, room 2. Oh! Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Okay. Okay. Room 4, okay, go on. What the heck? I'm going. What the heck is that? Ew. Who just pooped on the floor? Oh. What the heck? Room 4. I remember someone was in room 4. What do you need? I actually didn't know what to do at that point. Okay, they're doing it. Photo. You need a photo. Okay, I'm gonna take them to the room because you're adopted and you don't know how to do any of this. Ew. There's one in here, that's why I left the room. Okay, I'm scared. Oh my god! Oh, he's my child! My child! My child! My child! I love this one so much. Barney, I love Barney. A coffee? Yes, I can give you a coffee. You've had a long day. I need to drink the rest of it. What do you mean? Okay, it's making coffee. Is there more people coming? Okay. Well, sir, you can be ready. I'm scared. I need eye drops. I think there's more things you need. Okay. Eye drops, med kit, and a cough. Okay. Okay, patient recovering. But where is patient? Oh, 6. He's over here. Oh, he's doing this. Okay, I'm gonna do that. But oh. Bro, what is happening with you? Okay, I'm gonna let you do your thing. No, yeah, I'm new at this. Sorry, I was gonna kidnap you, but I didn't feel like it. I love when it's printing. When the noise of something's printing, it's so calming. What? How did too much people die? Did they die too? Okay, I'm back alone. I'm alone. I don't like this. Don't like that I'm alone. Hey. Just so you know, you might die because there's only one of us. And the other person left. And I was gonna eat your family. So I'm so sorry about that. And you might die easily. I'm so sorry if you do. Because I don't know what to do. And I won't be looking much. Room 1? Okay. Let's bring you to room 1. Room 1 is room 1. It's so nice. Oh my god. Enter. Enter. Wait, what did I need more? Something else. Maybe me a med kit and this stuff. Maybe I should put these in my inventory. Yeah. What do you mean? Heard. I don't remember that. Okay. We're gonna give you medicine because I feel like it.